Good day, everyone. Today, we will learn how arithmetic sequences and arithmetic series can be applied to real-life financial situations, particularly loan and mortgage payments. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to determine future periodic payments and compute the total amount paid over a period of time using mathematical formulas. Imagine that you plan to buy a house or a car someday. Most people cannot pay the full amount immediately, so they apply for a loan and pay it over several months or years. In situations like these, the amount you pay may follow a pattern. Today, we will discover how mathematics can help us predict future payments and determine the total amount to be paid without calculating every payment one by one. At the end of today's lesson, you should be able to: first, identify loan and mortgage payments that form arithmetic sequences. Second, determine future periodic payments. Third, determine the total amount paid using arithmetic series. These objectives will guide everything we discuss today. Before we begin, let us review arithmetic sequences. An arithmetic sequence is a sequence in which the difference between consecutive terms is always the same. For example, 5, 8, 11, 14, and 17. The common difference is 3 because each term increases by 3. To find one specific payment in an arithmetic sequence, we use the arithmetic sequence formula. Read the formula as A sub n equals A sub 1 plus, open parenthesis north minus 1 close parenthesis, times d. Remember, this formula is used to find one future payment. An arithmetic series is the sum of all the terms of an arithmetic sequence. Instead of finding one payment, we now want the total amount paid. For this, we use the arithmetic series formula. Read the formula as S sub n equals n divided by 2 times the quantity A sub 1 plus A sub n. Remember the difference. The arithmetic sequence formula finds one payment. The arithmetic series formula finds the total payment. Let us solve our first example. A borrower pays 5,000 pesos during the first month. The payment increases by 300 pesos every month. Find the payment during the 15th month. Since we are looking for only one payment, we will use the arithmetic sequence formula. The first payment is 5,000 pesos. The common difference is 300 pesos. We are looking for the payment during the 15th month. Substitute these values into the arithmetic sequence formula. After simplifying, the payment during the 15th month is 9,200 pesos. Notice that we did not have to calculate all 15 payments one by one. The formula gave us the answer directly. Now let us answer another question. Using the same example, find the total payment during the first 15 months. Since we want the total amount paid, we will use the arithmetic series formula. The first payment is 5,000 pesos. The 15th payment is 9,200 pesos. Substitute these values into the arithmetic series formula. After simplifying, the total payment during the first 15 months is 106,500 pesos. The series formula allows us to compute the total quickly without adding every payment individually. Now consider another example. A homeowner pays 8,000 pesos during the first year. The payment increases by 500 pesos every year. First, determine the payment during the 10th year. Second, determine the total payment for the first 10 years. For part A, use the arithmetic sequence formula because we are looking for one payment. The payment during the 10th year is 12,500 pesos. For part B, use the arithmetic series formula because we want the total payment. The total payment for the first 10 years is 102,500 pesos. This example shows that the sequence formula is used for one payment, while the series formula is used for the total payment. Let us summarize today's lesson. Loan and mortgage payments may form an arithmetic sequence when the payment increases by the same amount every period. The arithmetic sequence formula helps determine one future payment. The arithmetic series formula helps determine the total amount paid. Mathematics helps borrowers make informed financial decisions before taking out a loan. Before we end, think about what you learned today. Why is it important to understand how loan payments are computed before borrowing money? How can arithmetic sequences and series help people make better financial decisions? Take a moment to reflect on these questions. That concludes our lesson on applying sequences and series to loan and mortgage payments. Thank you for your participation. Have a great day, and see you in our next class.